Hey again, mate. Now that the rolling of the screen should definitely be the wrong sort of format causing the issue. So if I go into FCam here, you want to click on that, and you want to click on, touch the screen, click on this, and change it. I think you'll want to have it on that one, or that one. Like, sorry, one of those, like 4. Because you'll see what happens. Like and then you want to, after you've changed it, you got to click this save button, and it's going to like disappear for a bit, and then it's going to pop back. So you can see I've put the wrong sort of format on this camera. So if I come back and change it to what it should be, it'll come in clear again. So I just need to get you to try that. So FCam, click on that, and then just try. Make sure you press the save after you try each one, otherwise it will not work.